Welcome to this new video of Sapphire Talks English. In this video, we shall discuss about the latest US-India trade deal, and we'll discuss regarding who won in the trade deal and who lost. Generally, when a trade deal is entered into, it is entered into with the idea that each nation would like to guard its core economic interest. There is really no concept of winning or losing. But the American administration had made this trade deal into a prestige issue with all kinds of pressures being exerted upon India, and this trade deal had in fact become like a mini war. So now that this trade deal has been entered into, or rather I should say the framework agreement has been entered into, let's examine whether this trade deal is beneficial to India or whether it is beneficial to the USA. This trade deal is definitely beneficial for America. America can now sell industrial and capital goods in the Indian market duty free. Furthermore, American agricultural products like distillers grains, sorghum, tree nuts, fruit, soybean oil, wine and spirits would be entering India duty free. India has also indicated that it would like to purchase about $500 billion of American goods in the next 5 years. This would include a lot of American energy like coal, natural gas and crude oil. Furthermore, India has also agreed to ease non-tariff barriers on ICT products, that is, internet and computer technology related products. So definitely this trade deal brings a lot of benefit for the American economy. This agreement definitely opens up a lot of opportunities for India. First and foremost, India gets access to the $30 trillion US market. Furthermore, certain Indian products like spices, tea, fruits, aircraft parts, pharmaceuticals, gems, semiconductors get duty-free access to the US market. Over and above that, Indian tariffs have been reduced from 50% to 18%, which make it very competitive compared to its rivals such as China, who is at 35%, Vietnam and Pakistan, who are at 20%, and Bangladesh, which is at 19%. Therefore, definitely this US-India trade agreement does bring a lot of benefits for India. Whenever America enters into any important agreement, a fact sheet is put on its website by the White House. Generally, most people don't have the bandwidth to go through the minute details or granular details of each and every agreement. So the fact sheet is a summary of the agreement that the US government has entered into, which is put up on the website of the White House. Now the fact sheet that the White House had initially put forth on its website contained a lot of factual errors. These errors were rectified by the White House on 9 February 2026. Some of the examples of these rectifications are pulses, where earlier it was mentioned that India would provide access to pulses in the Indian market at lower tariffs. This has now been deleted, and pulses is also a very sensitive matter in the Indian market, as a lot of Indian farmers are producing pulses and are dependent upon pulses production for their livelihood. So the White House fact sheet change definitely indicates that pulses will not get a free access in the Indian market. Furthermore, the earlier fact sheet mentioned that India is committed to purchase $500 billion of goods and services from US in the coming 5 years. Now this has been rectified to intends to buy, which means that India will try its best, or definitely has a positive intention of buying about $500 billion of American goods and services in the next 5 years, but there is definitely no enforceable commitment from India's side. Furthermore, in the earlier fact sheet, it was mentioned that India had removed all digital taxes under US pressure. Now, this was not true. India had removed the equalization levy almost a year back. Therefore, there is definitely no question of any US pressure in India changing its digital tax infrastructure. We can surely say that if the India-US trade deal works out properly, it will be beneficial for future generations of both the countries. As such, from the above discussion, it would be amply clear that nobody has actually won or lost in the trade deal. Both countries have done their best to safeguard their core interest, and there has been a lot of give and take also. So the next step in this case would be the implementation of the entire agreement, because as of now we just have agreed upon the framework. So as and when there is any further development on this matter, definitely I'll come back to you with a new video. Till then, I'll take your leave. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you have liked our video, please tick the bell icon for notifications. Please like this video online, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.